Are you confused what to do or not? Have tried lot of things around the globe to memorize and clear the concept of anatomy? Still not getting anything? Yes. Question. Here is the solution. Anatomy guide. To whom we can guide, that is first year students of MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, physiotherapy, pharmacy and nursing. Yes, with different level of in-depth anatomy guide. Anatomy guide for MBBS first year students. In-depth lectures, live video lectures for the anatomy students with 3D models and yes, of course, dissection virtually. For dental students, specialized batch for dental student, head and neck in detail lectures and as well as in detail session for the individual skull bones with live virtual dissection. Anatomy guide is the solution for BAMS and BHMS, Ayurveda and homeopathic. Yes, Sharir Rachna. All the topics covered in Sharir Rachna for specially Ayurvedic and homeopathic first year students. Physiotherapy students, first year in detail study of muscular system with all origin, insertion, nerve supply action as well as hands-on dissection virtual for the muscular system by the senior physiotherapy faculty specialized anatomy subject. Yes, you can do it. For pharmacy students, in-depth classes for the nervous system which ultimately helps you in the furthermore your field drug action mechanism, how each and every drug react in our body. For the nursing student, yes, all the system will be covered for the nursing student with clinical aspect. Yes, intramuscular injection, intravenous injection sites all will be covered in the human anatomy subject for nursing students.